on your YouTube app. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa to Pizza. I am Kashna Jaykumar. This is going to be a lovely session of Aloo Palak Saag. This is a yummy dish which goes along with chapattis, parotas, naan and rotis. So let's look into how to do this in a very simple and easy way that you get it very tasty also. First let's heat a pan or a wok. Add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Now add the onions and saute. So as usual, sprinkle some salt to fasten the process of sauté. We'll have to saute it well until it shrinks and changes some color. Then only the dish will get a nice taste. Now at this stage we can add the ginger garlic paste. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Just cover it and allow the tomatoes to get mashed well and cooked until soft. We have mashed the tomatoes well. Now at this stage let's add the powders. The chili powder, sambar powder or coriander powder, some turmeric powder. Give it a nice mixing. Now what you can do is add the clean and cut spinach. So if you want to just mash it and you can cut it into fine small pieces and then add it to this, so that you need not actually mash it later. Now I have added it as a leaf. So what will happen is when they get cooked, I will be mashing them. For now I am not adding any water because there is a lot of water content in the leaf and I washed the leaves and added. So let this get cooked with the water in it. Just cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, the palak is cooked so well. It's already got a mashy consistency. Now add the cooked and diced potatoes to this. Now check for the salt and then we can add some salt to this. We have not added any water to this, but if you would like to serve this in a gravy consistency, then we can add some water to this. Here the aloo saag is ready. Now let's add some lemon juice to this. This lemon juice is absolutely optional, but the iron content in the greens will be absorbed by the body only when it is added with vitamin C. So that's why we are adding this lemon juice to this. Just cover it for 2 minutes, allow it to boil and then we can remove it and serve it. Dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making this lovely and yummy palak aloo saag. It was very simple, isn't it? So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza, and for your printable recipes, visit dosatopizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.